this is G. Jayashree. So I am doing my first year MBBS in Pondicherry Institute of Medical Sciences, and I studied in Acharya right from my first standard till 12th standard. So for me, Acharya has always been my home, away from my home. This is because my mom has been working in Acharya, so myself and my brother spent most of our days in Acharya right from our childhood. So Acharya had always been my back support, supporting me and guiding me and encouraging me to flourish myself in different fields. So Cholan sir, principal sir, and all my faculties, teachers and Narayana faculties had been my great support and pillar in my route for success. So we had been doing Shambhala right from my childhood. We used to write lot of wish list, like what we have to do within 1 year, my inspiration, aspiration, ambition in 25 years. So we not only used to write those things, rather than we do actually practice and pray for the thing on the day of Shambhala, the oneness meditation, like how we have to complete it within the time limit. So we do have citation days where it is a day for the student to get honored what are the things that they did for the whole year. So similarly, I used to be waiting for the citation day right from my childhood every year to get honored. It is always the day where you people get honored from our MDG, so that you feel very happy. I got Achiever Award right from my childhood every year. So it had been a great road to my success right from my childhood. Apart from education, Acharya had always been supporting us in our extracurricular activities too. Like I learned classical dance, Bharatanatyam in Acharya. I completed my Salanga Puja in Acharya Auditorium. So those are all my beautiful memories from Acharya, which I take away throughout my life. So my ambition right from my childhood was to become a doctor. So I was aiming for that. Every year, whenever I meet MDG, I expressed my ambition towards him. So he had always been my pillar of support. He used to encourage us every day whenever we meet. He get time to meet us, and he always ends his speech with beautiful quotes, which always cherishes us to complete every year with success. So I would like to thank my parents, choose Acharya for my education. So they just gave me as a piece of rock to Acharya, but Acharya molded me into a beautiful sculpture. So I am standing in before you as a student of MBBS in Pondicherry Institute of Medical Sciences. I am always grateful to Acharya and our beloved MDG, always happy to be an Acharya and feeling on top of the world. Thank you.